It is really the most wonderful thing I think Range Care's ever thought of. Well, what has happened over the time, I have, fairly major eye problems. And up until about 2 years ago, or 18 months ago, I was still able to read large print. And then it was getting very difficult. And I have a computer, but mainly, if I got an email, I couldn't read it. There was all those things that were happening. And then I thought, I'll have to do something about this. And just at that time, I got a flyer. And it just said in the end that I had an iPad on loan with a tutor for 3 months. And if you're interested, ring this number. And I thought, that's exactly what I want. Yeah, I mean, in the beginning, we sort of went through a lot of, I suppose they were the basics. And I struggled with a lot of the basics because I just had never handled this sort of thing. And I'd have to always think, go home and start again. But it didn't really take me that long. And it wasn't, I mean, I was really interested, but I didn't spend like hours and hours and hours on it. I was really interested in getting books because we've got a small group here at the Mullaney Grove. We have a book club. And it just means I couldn't join in. So now I can buy from Amazon and put it on Kindle. And I've got a granddaughter in Melbourne with a new mum. So I've been able to FaceTime Amy because she's got an iPhone. I mean, there's still lots of things I feel that I'd love to be able to do a bit more, but just little things that come up and I just remember to ask and it's there. The expert comes in and goes, we can do that. So grateful that I didn't hesitate and just think, blow, I'm going to put my hand up and try it. And if it doesn't work, I've had nothing to lose. Yeah. But if it works, I was imagining, mainly I was imagining reading. I think that was really the apple that was out there for me, that I could read a book again, because I've always been a fairly solid reader and you do miss it. A few of the people here when we went to the book club, and they said, did you feel that you were a bit past learning anything new? And I said, well, if you do that, you never do it. You probably wouldn't even pick a book up. Look, I would say don't hesitate. Generally, I just feel it's changed my outlook on life and made me feel a more interesting person, if for myself.